Radical,
I'm a general. I'm a general, yeah. Okay. The circus smile, keep me same old links. Me no want no new friends at all. The circus smile, so me think from me smile. I me see him click, click, me call. The circus smile. I me see him all dog them. Circus smile. See him bad charge them. Circus smile. Where we growing at the same old yard with. Few links.
Yo, this has got to be one of my favorite looks. And I keep on wanting to do it because I'm filming every single day in November. So I keep on I'm filming at this time. So I keep on wanting to do this. Come like, no dog, you do it your day. Because whenever I'm filming, whenever I'm doing my makeup, I actually film it. So I have content. You guys, I love this look so much. So I'm starting off my brows the way I would typically start off my brows. And I'm just drawing them in place. Then I'll be defining them with my matte, with my, matte caramel from Sasha Cosmetics. It's actually their concealer. Alright, so now I'm going in with my TEAMIblends tea infused glow serum, and this is the cinnamon one. I think it's cinnamon and something, but it's the cinnamon one, and I'm using this as my moisturizer. I'm using this every single time underneath my makeup. I prefer the oils. I feel like my skin does really well with natural products, and my skin just soaks it up. It doesn't sit on top of my skin, but it doesn't like disappear into my skin. I don't know if that makes sense, but I love how it feels. It leaves my skin feeling very, very moisturized. My Teamy code is still Lyric15. You can get 15% off, but I think for the month of November, Lyric25 gives you 25% off, and I'll let you guys know in the description bar. I'll have the updated code for you in the description bar. So apart from using their Teamy detox pack, which is what I use religiously, especially when I've fallen off track or want not to get back on track comfortable, I use that one. So I'm just finishing up my brows. Then I'm grabbing my primer from Sasha Cosmetics. I'm in love with this primer. It's their mattifying primer. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't need a lot. Then I just rub it on in, and the oil is not really sunken into my skin, as I say, and it's not really sitting on my skin either. So I feel like both of them working in tandem to like give me a nice glowy hydrated look. So this is my foundation in Perfect Bronze, and it is again from Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica. So I'm just taking my brush from my cable line, not yet released, but we work it out by working on it we meet to work up the money, because I will for money like cajillions of dollars. Anyway, so I'm just applying my foundation, and then I'm going around my brows to blend it out. So it looks nice and blended. Yeah, that's the point. So now I'm going in with not Toffee. This is Fawn from LA Pro Conceal, and then I'm just gonna be blending it out. And as I say, I took it all over where I want to be highlighted, and I went on top of my brows because I wanted to blend out my brows some more, because I don't want that boxy look. I hope I didn't get it. I think I did, but I hope not. So then I'm going to go in with the brush that I used to apply my foundation and go over the edges of the font that I just put on to kind of blend out the edges so that there are no harsh lines. So that's basically what I'm doing now. Shout out to my natural hair growing out. Hey, what's up, boo? I see you, boo. Turn up. Okay, so I'm going in with Sasha Cosmetics setting powder, and this is in white, and this will be going on all the highlighted areas, so under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, all over. Then I'm going to be going in with my Perfect Spines loose powder from Sasha Cosmetics as well. And again, this brush is also from my cable line. It looks so sexy. I love it so much. But anyway, oh yeah, and I'm going on the side of my nose. I don't low light my nose as in use a darker color. I low light my nose using the color that I use for my all over face. Yeah, so when I apply on the powder, I'm having it sit on my skin a bit before I go ahead and wipe it off. So now I'm applying my Sasha Cosmetics, what's her name again? Buttercup powder, but in pressed form. And again, Sasha Cosmetics Perfect Bronze, and this is what I used to do my low light. By low light I mean like my contour. So I'm putting that in my crease just because I wanted some powder form for the black to kind of stick to and not crease upon. So this is my LA Girl Pro Primer in black, and I'm applying this on my lid and then in my crease and over my crease, like right under my brow bone, and I blended it out with this brush. So I'm just blending out the edges mostly, and not really the base, like close to my lash line, just the area that's closest to my brow bone. So next I'm going in with my Watch Me blush palette from Lord Jesus God, what am I making? Watch me blush palette. Oh, for the crayon case, and I'm taking that color. That's the color to use, guys. And this is all that I did for my eyes. All that I did for my eyes. I'm going to go in with the same brush I used to apply the first color from Tatcha Cosmetics, like the transitional color. I'm just taking that brush and just blending out the edges, and that's it for the eyes. So I'm taking the same LA Pro Primer in black, and I'm using that as my eyeliner. I use it for my eyeliner, I use it for my eyes, I use it for my lips. It's very, very efficient, you guys. So I'm blending it out underneath with that brush, and then I'm going in with this is my LA, we call it contour duo, and this is in medium, and I'm putting it on my happy area, and then I'm going to apply gold from the Watch Me blush palette, that gold, and that's the eye look, you guys. And then the lashes that I applied were some like eBay old cheap, like something couple of cents lashes. It worked, you know, I don't like them, but it worked for this look because it didn't overpower the look. It just kind of made my eyes look really cool. So I'm just brushing away my Tatcha Cosmetics setting powder. It's gonna look so great, I promise you. It's gonna look good. Just watch. Now this tends to leave my face looking a little bit ashy. I don't mind it because I sweat and I get oily, so I feel like it looks really nice. This is the lash that I told you about. Yeah, and this is the look. Oh, I'm going in with my oil from, I'll link in the description bar below. It's so hard to pronounce. Infidelity, I think it's called. But this is the oil that I've been using for the past couple of months on my edges. Sorry guys, past couple of months on my edges, and I put it around on my edges, and also in the parts of my cane row. You guys call them cornrows in Jamaica. We call them cane row. Then I'm putting on my stocking cap, and for my lips, I'm actually going to be wearing Cosmopop from Lime Crime, and to line my lips, I'm actually wearing what's it called again? Espresso from LA Girl. I'm not wearing any glue at all. This look was really matte, and I loved how it looked. The wig though, you guys, the hair is absolutely phenomenal. You cannot lose with Beauty Forever. You just can't. You can't. They're absolutely an amazing company. The hair is absolute superb quality. I love it. I flat ironed it prior to this video, and then I didn't record what I did, but in this video I actually flat ironed it again, just like ran the iron out through it, and it's been treating me well. I love it. There's not a lot of hair in there, you guys. I just used 2 bundles, and the frontal, which is not necessarily me. I'm a 4 or 5 bundle type of girl on the frontal, but I loved how it looked, you guys. Oh, I'm actually going for the flat iron. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah, so I actually went for the flat iron for you guys, and this flat iron is from Vanity Planet. I'll also have my Vanity Planet description code, not description, coupon code in the description bar below. It's 70% off. I am an affiliate to the Vanity Planet, and it's 70% off. So I'm just fixing the wig. The wig comes pre-plucked. You see, like, I love that nice space. But what I don't do a lot is I like edges for my wigs, so I'll be getting into that, like, no. But I don't like doing edges for my wigs because I always wear them down. Like, I have no reason for my edges to be drawing, so I don't finesse my edges the way I should, and I really should. But this is 28 inches, 2 bundles, and a frontal. The hair is phenomenal. And in the first video I said that it was Peruvian, it was Brazilian straight. It's not Brazilian straight, it's actually Peruvian straight. This hair is really light though. I thought it was Malaysian. No, I thought it was Brazilian because of the thickness. Like, this hair is only 2 bundles, you guys, and it is this thick for only 2 bundles and a closure. So I'm really proud of them. They really surprised me. The reason why I only used 2 bundles is because I wasn't rushing, but I was on a timestamp to make this wig. Because I have so much videos planned for November, and this week, this hair came right in the heat of me planning my November soirees. Like, you know, a video every day in November. So because of that, this video catch me right, and I make like the blood cleanse. And I was like, come go there. Let us hurry up and do with this. But the hair is gorgeous, you guys. You can't go wrong with Beauty Forever. That's all I'm going to say. But this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please share, comment, subscribe if you have not as yet. And look out for November because I'll be doing a video every single day in November. Hi, guys. So this is the finished look. And this hair I'm wearing is from BeautyForeverHair. This is my full transformation, featuring Beauty Forever Hair. I have a video on how I made this wig. It's not a very long video, but I'll go ahead and link that in the description bar for you guys. I'm speaking so softly. I'm going to turn the audio in post, but I'm speaking softly because Jonathan is there sleeping. It's like 5:30. Yeah, it's like 5:30 in the morning. I need to go and get him up because we're leaving 6:15 for church. I need to get him up, ready and everything. So yeah, so this is the look. This is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for your love and your support for this month of October. I cannot wait for you guys for November to get, well, actually I can't wait for November to get here because I'm doing a video every single day in November. It's a lot, but I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.